Hey camping friends, Mark here from Lessons Learned. We just did a camping trip that was about 6 hours away, and I guess there was a lot of shaking going down the road because by the time we got there, when we got in the camper, we noticed that one of the burners, the part where the actual flames come out, had actually tipped over. It was not even connected and it was laying on its side down inside the stovetop. So I'm going to take that apart. I'm going to get that thing put back together. I'm going to use some Threadlocker or some solution, hoping that maybe it won't fall apart again just due to shaking going down the road. And I just want to share the experience with you, so enjoy. We'll have to remove these knobs. Pretty sure they just slide on, slide off. So we never have taken that cover off, and as you can see, it'd probably be a good idea to do so, to clean under here. It's hard not to get any grease or anything drop down in those burners and fall through those holes. Right here you can see what happened. That's supposed to sit over that bolt, go on this fitting here, and it seems like the nut has come off of that bolt is what's happened going down the road, because if you look over here, these, you can see the nut is still on there in these, and then in the corner I have a collection of screws and nuts and bolts. So that seems like that's where everything shook over to the corner after they came loose. So let's get us some Loctite, put on these, and hope they don't come loose going down the road the same way. But here you can see where it's supposed to connect here. So as you can see in this video, if the burners come loose in your gas stovetop in your GeoPro camper, it's not a big deal to fix it. If you just remove the 2 screws that hold the center flat surface onto the stovetop, you can lift that off, and then underneath there you find the burners, and each of those burners is just slipped onto the gas fitting, and it has 1 nut holding it down. So I'm hopeful that using that thread lock that they're not going to loosen up so easily. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave us comments, suggestions, give us a thumbs up, or subscribe.